Hello, and welcome to Agile Expert Certification course. In this module under Lean and Kanban software development, we will learn about the core values of this product development approach. The first core value is Kaizen. So what is Kaizen? This is a Japanese term used to define continuous improvement. The word is made up of two parts. Kai means an idea for change or an action to rectify something, and Zen simply means good. The concept of Kaizen is based on the Japanese philosophy of business, which stresses continuous improvement. This concept stems from the belief that in business there is always room for improvement. Kaizen ultimately leads to the successful elimination of waste and excess. Along with being a scientific method that uses statistical quality control, Kaizen is also an adaptive structure of human values, which keeps employees motivated to achieve zero defects in their work. The Kaizen method believes that each person involved in a business is a valuable contributor to the organization. Each individual idea has the potential to add to the success of the company. Kaizen promotes an environment of recognition and respect, which is important for clear communication. Because of this, people are more likely to share their opinions and suggestions, which can lead to improvements. There are several settings for implementing this method, as an individual, in a small team, or in a huge boardroom. A key to successful Kaizen implementation is the importance of the term continuous. This means that it is not just a short stint in a process improvement plan, but a practice that must be sustained over time. Now that we know about this value, let's have a look at the Kaizen cycle. It has 4 segments. The first segment is to plan. Chalk out a plan to work on areas that need improvement. The next one is execution. Carry out the changes according to plan. The third segment is observation. Observe the difference in the process after the execution. And the final part is evaluation. Evaluate the results and see how well it works for the process. There is a clear connection between Kaizen and Kanban. In Kanban, the entire team is responsible for improving ongoing systems and processes. The Kanban theory is expected to advance with time, and as a team, it is the responsibility of each team member to constantly focus on improving the work within the Kaizen model. Now we will learn about the next core value, Mura. Mura is a Japanese term used to refer to any wasteful activity that has no value. It is an essential factor in Kanban. In order to run a business, an organization has to produce goods or provide services for the customer to buy or pay for. This requires a process, and this process makes use of resources. The waste factor comes into the picture when resources are consumed unnecessarily. The Kanban approach increases awareness of wasteful resource consumption and helps identify waste and unexploited prospects and opportunities. The next core value is Mora. In Japanese, Mora means unevenness or inconsistency in physical matter or human spiritual condition. In Kanban, Mora is reduced by equipping the process with the exact part, at the exact time, in the exact amount. This is JIT, or just in time, delivery of resources and assets to the production process at the exact moment each is needed. Accumulating large inventories that must wait for production to use is considered a form of unevenness. Another core value of the Lean Kanban software development approach is Maury. Maury is the Japanese word used for overburden, unreasonableness, or absurdity. Kanban avoids Maury through standardized work. First, a standard output is defined so that there can be an effective judgment of quality. Then, the elements in each process are simplified for examination and recombination. The process is then standardized to get a standard condition. The last core value we will learn about is Genshi Genbutsu. In Japanese, this means go and see for yourself. It is the conviction that real-time experience is more useful than theory. One must see the problem to understand the problem, rather than hear about the problem from someone else. This will help in making an informed decision about the solution. With this, we come to the end of this module. I hope you have understood the core values of this product development approach. In the next module, we will discuss the module Understanding Lean Software Development. Thank you for learning with us.